Hello, students. How are you? Yes, I am Sam Thapa. Yes, today we are start the new lesson simplifications. So, my dear students, you are doing the simplification in class, in your junior class, like class 4, class 5, class 5. Okay, so in rules of simplification, before we start the simplification, we know about the rules. So everyone, the rules of simplifications. Just I revise it again. Okay, so rules of simplifications is BODMAS, BODMAS. So everyone, that the BODMAS means B means bracket or bar. So everyone, that brackets, there is a three kinds of brackets: small brackets, curly brackets, and big brackets. And one of the things, bar means sometimes in questions there is a two numbers between there is two between the minus sign and above there is a some like uh, line is appears. So that is called the bar. Okay, and that bar is when the comes that bars in the questions, we are doing first, we are open this bar first, and before the divide, multiplication, addition or subtraction. Okay, similarly, O means of. Of means of kinds of multiplications. It is a multiplications, and when it which is doing which is solved before the divides. Some, for examples, 5, 15 divided by 3 of 3 of 5. So in these questions, someone when it comes, look at here, his divide is appear here, and here is a symbol of office appear here, and here someone is doing like this. The rules of the simplifications, he or she is doing at first divide 5 5 the 3 5 the 15s, and of means multiplications, and 5, and they are doing like this 25. So look at this, and I'm doing like this: 15 divided by 3 of 5. The rules of is doing before the divides. Okay, so of you are doing first of all. So you are right like this: 15 divided by 3 into 5, 15, and its answer is 1. So it is the right answer, this is the wrong. Okay, so in this way we are doing of before the divides. Okay, and same question is appear here: 3 is divided by into 5. In these types of questions you are doing first divide, because here multiplication is automatically appears, not is given and not is hidden, it is a given. Okay, so at that times we are doing here first divide 5 into 5, and then its multiplication is equal to 25. Now it is right. Okay, so did you understand? One of the example you see here, sometimes off is given like that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
uh, yes, 15 divided by 3, only 2 plus 3, like this. So in this time, in these questions, in these simplifications, we are appear here is a small bracket, and we are doing first small bracket, open this small bracket, and here is the 3 and the small brackets in this bracket having no any sign. It is here is no any sign. So we know that here is a multiplication sign, and that multiplication is, and you are doing like this: 3 divided by 3 15 divided by 3 into 5, and now, and you are doing like this: 15 divided by 15 is equals to 1. So is this right? Answer is right. But here is when you show these types of multiplication sign, and this is the doing at last, after the divide. So after divide, so that's why you don't show the into sign here. You are showing here is the off sign, okay? And when you are doing show the off sign and it is multiplied now and then divide, its answer is 50. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So now, do you understand? And divide, after that of you are doing divide, then multiplications, addition and subtraction. So in here is some of the students are confusions. They are doing the simplification like that. 4 plus 3 minus some of this you are the class, when you are the class 5, you are doing these questions like that. You are doing 4 minus 9 plus 3 plus 5 8. The difference is equal to 4 minus 4 answer. So my dear students, here is what you're doing here, and some of the students is doing like that, 4 minus 3 is equals to 1 and plus 5, and its right answer is equal to 6. Some of the students is doing like that. So in when we are checks the answer sheet, where some of the students we are confusions what they are study about the simplification. In simplification, rules of simplification, we are doing first the addition and then subtraction. So how can you do that? First of all, you are doing in some rules of simplification, what the numbers are addition number, these and these. So arrange them 4 plus 5 minus 3 at last, and then they are the same sign and they are added, plus 9 and minus 3, and then at last you are doing, they have a different sign. Yes, here is we are discuss about in algebra, when the two terms or digits or numbers having the different sign, they have a subtraction. So 9 minus 3 is equals to 6 is right answer. Did you understand? So the rules of simplification, you must be remembered that before you doing the simplification problems. Okay. Today I am told you that the brackets means bracket, B means bracket or bar. Okay. Here is the questions. Here is the questions. Page number 101. There is a two types of the simplifications is appear in your books. One is the without brackets, and some of the questions having brackets. Okay, so I am going to teach about the question number S. 45 divided by 5 plus 12 divided by 4 minus 3 into 2 divided by 10. Sorry, plus 10. So my dear students, here is in these questions, see these questions, there is a two divides is appear, divide sign is appear here. One is here, another is here, and is this questions is without bracket simplification. So first of all, we are use when the bracket is not appear in the questions, you are doing see if off is there or divide is there, multiplication, addition or subtraction, what sign is there, you see there. Okay, so here is divide sign, off sign is not given. Here is a divide. Two in this simplification, there is two places having the divide sign. So here 5 is divisible 45. How many times? 9 times. Plus sign is here. And 4 is divisible 12. How many times? 3 times. Minus 3 into 2 plus 10. So what we do? in rules we are doing multiplication. So multiplying is here. So multiply. You write this as it is. This number is as it is, and minus sign is here. 3 to the 6 plus 10. Now, what you do? Divide you doing, multiplication you doing, and subtraction, addition and subtraction is a reminder. So now we are arrange here addition number. Sign 10, 3 and 9 is addition number. 3 plus 10 minus sign, and these three terms having the similar sign, and they are the add. 3 and 9 12 and 10 22 minus 6. So what is the right answer? Yes, my dear students, you all know that 16 is the right answer. So it is our right answer. Did you understand? One of the last questions I teach you that F number 61 plus 12 divided by 4 minus 8. So here is, yes, 8 is a subtraction, 4 have the sign is a divide, 12 is a plus and 61 is a plus. So here is divide sign is appear. So we are doing divide. 4 is divide 12 how many times? 61 is write down as it is, plus sign is write down as it is, 4 is divisible 12 3 times minus 8. So look at here. Here is a subtraction is at last. Addition, two numbers are addition. They are the arranges. So you are added these two numbers. 64 minus 8. What are the difference? Yes, my dear students. Yes, the difference is 56. Is the right answer. So yes, dear students, I know you are the interestingly study of this class in my class. So please watch the video and do it your work continuously. Thank you very much.